Hello, you are welcome to our construction progress report for February 2024 at Harmonia Villas, Cantonment. My name is Soveya Mushofa Yahaya. Come with me, let's go speak with Engineer Ahmed for our updates. Hello, Ahmed.
Hello, Mushofa.
How are you?
I'm doing well. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Ahmed, tell us what's been going on.
Okay, so now for the internal work, we are done with the last coat. As you see here also, we finished all the installation of the light fixtures, the socket and the switches as well. We finished the installation for all the wardrobes on the site for the whole villas, as well the kitchen installation for the last villa has been done. Now we are working on the final touches and the cleaning on the site. This for the internal one. So maybe remaining like some small accessories. For the external one, we finish all the stamped concrete for all villas. Even the pavement blocks of the main road, you will see it, and the guest parking area also is done. The generator now and the electrical panel on the site for the whole project. We are done with all swimming pools, okay, and we started filling some of them and doing like some testing. Now we started also planting for the landscape, the natural plants and some trees. And also all the fences inside the project has been painted now.
Yeah. Thank you so much
You're
for this
welcome.
update. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and follow us on all of our social media handles. Goodbye.